What? At wait, I'm filming. Cannot wait. Someone is asking but you cannot wait. So we're done. Here, so nice. So beautiful, guys. What's the name of this fountain? In English, what's the name?
Fountain of the place in Lavona, and that's supposed to be the four sources.
Okay, that's why it's a four type of yeah, we can just complete the rounds and then we can go. So guys, this is the famous fountain also here in Rome.
Non, il devrait planter les arbres, c'est beaucoup trop chaud. Trop de béton, de problèmes.
Yes. So nice. Look at that. The other fountain is also there. We can go there also. But
Yeah,
here's
it's
the
yeah.
here is the very nice one.
Un lion qui se cache dans la caverne, tu vois.
One more rounds here and then we go. There's a lot of restaurant beside of this fountain and you can see a lot of tourists and it's surrounded by the restaurant. Everywhere is a lot of restaurant. And of course this is their highlight why they come here and eat and they watch the fountain also because it's so beautiful, the fountain. Now we can go there, the other fountain. So here's the restaurant Camilio. Panziron restaurant, BYET. So guys, we are here in another fountain, BYET. So heto yung another fountain dito sa kabila. Simple lang siya, mas maliit lang siya compare sa other one. Is sobrang laki ito. Simple lang siya, maliit lang. Pero nice siya. Just go around and BYET. Super nice. Yung bata buihi kanga ng isda. Ayan. Dalawang fountain makikita natin. Si Vice Ganda na andyan. Okay. Keep this one. ayun yung famous din, isa sa famous na fountain. And ito, ang daming tao. So guys, ito na tayo, hanap na tayo ng place kung saan tayo kakain. Bye! So guys, we are here in the riverside and we are going to walk to the riverside. So let's go! What is that?
Tibre. La rivière
No, the
s'appelle
building.
Tibre. Cour de cassation means the court.
Ah, it's a Supreme Court.
Yes. Like this.
So nice. There's still Supreme Court. Ganda ng bridge. Malaki. Supreme Court nila dito sa Rome. Yan po. Guys, tignan ninyo, madaming fruit stand dito. Pwede tayong order ng juice, pwede kahit ano. Okay. Ayan, ang ganda ng bridge. Ayan ang Supreme Court ng Rome.
Det er når man bare kier.
So ayun, ang laki ng Supreme Court nila. Dito lang yan sa baba ng bridge. Pupunta tayo doon. Yan ang Korte Suprema nila dito. Supreme Court sa English. Sa kanila, Korte de Casacion. So, lakad tayo dito. Sant'Angelo building yan siya, and then yun yan ang Vatican, yung may dome na malaki. So guys, welcome to St. Angelo, yung ano na yan, yung building na yan, St. Angelo ang Tower. So baka pupunta tayo dyan kung hindi tayo pagod. So guys, we continue walking here in the bridge, down the bridge pala. And that's the Saint Paul. Under renovation shop. So guys, andito tayo sa Saint John. Tingnan ninyo, daming statue dito. Here is a castle of St. Angelo. St. Angelo pala yung castle na to. St. Angelo Castle. St. Angelo Castle. So, dito tayo sa baba ng bridge. Dito natin i-discover ang sa side ng bridge na to. Tapos meron siyang pakyatan. Guys, tignan ninyo itong bridge na to. Maganda rin siya. Patawid tayo sa kabila, tapos sa kabila tayo dadaan. So guys, this is the river of Rome and the bridges, and it's so beautiful, there are bridges here. Look at that. At mayroong papasok na boat. So guys, we are here on another side of the bridge. And we're going down. So tignan niyo guys yung bridge dito, tapos yung river nila, sobrang laki ng river nila. Tapos yung ano, yun. So guys, dito sa Riverside meron siyang restaurant. Ayan. And then makikita natin dito yung island. Tapos may magandang bridge dito. Ayan. So guys, here is the small island here in Rome, and this is the small island here. After we reach this place, it's so beautiful, and there's written here, I love Rome, Paul Michel. And you can see here there's a lot of restaurant near in the sea, near in the riverside, and of course the small island here. Ito yung small island nila. So guys, we reached now the small island here in the riverside, and this is the small island here. So warm. That's a small island here in the river. It's in the middle of the river. That's the building of the government, or we call that government building. Government building. government building nila guys. Dito tayo. Kasi may bayan papasok dyan. Hindi tayo magpasok. Dito lang tayo.
Mira tu dueño, si tú le puedes un portón de forja, compadre.
Dito tayo sa center. Yan. Yan, ang ganda guys. Ayan, doon pa. Zoom natin doon. Dito, i-zoom din natin dito.
Vamos, Roberto.
Okay, yun lang. Hanggang dito lang. Dito guys, maganda siya tignan kasi makita mo ang buong view. Ito ang government building nila. Ayan. Saka ito. So kanina sa malapitan hindi masyado clear lahat. Dito clear siya. Yan, so sobrang ganda. Tignan ninyo.